So, 01 Blazer had a knock. Sounded lower. Took the pan out, took the differential out, the mid shaft, CV shafts, all that fun jazz. Put new rod bearings and main bearings in. Had the knock still when I put it back together. Kept looking. Went back further to where the transmission is. And this is where the flywheel was. Transmission. This is still in the vehicle, by the way. You could see the monstrosity to keep it all together because I was just not feeling taking the transmission out. So, yeah, I'll show you pictures of the flywheel. It knocked just like a motor knock, almost exactly to the T, but it just had a little bit of a different ting to it when it was knocking.